How to use Disney Plus offline. To watch Disney Plus offline, you must download titles using the mobile app on a supported device. So this feature is only available for subscriber with Disney Plus Standard or Disney Plus Premium plan. It's not supported on the Disney Plus Standard with apps. So what you want to do is you just open up your app onto your device, Disney Plus app, and select or locate the movie or TV show you wish to watch offline. Next, you just want to tap onto the download button. So you could just locate the download arrow icon right next to it. And if you want to download the TV show, then you have to select individual episode or tap onto the icon next to season's name to download the entire season as well. A check mark or a mobile device icon will appear once the download is finished, and you could go to your library or download section and watch it offline. So this way you'll be able to use Disney Plus offline. But other than that, there is no other feature. You could go with the Disney Plus offline. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.